Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my fall front porch makeover. So here is a before shot of what the porch looks like here at early fall. I filmed this the first weekend in October and the plants are gone except for these ivy plants. They're still looking pretty good. There's minimal decor and here's a cute little woolly worm. But we are going to be doing some major cleaning of the front porch and then adding a bunch of fall festive decorations to make it really fun for the season. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt and dust and seeds all over the porch and also plenty of spider webs to get down. So we are going to start off by removing all of the furniture off the porch, except for the porch swing, of course. We're going to take everything off and then we're going to get started with the cleaning. If you are new here, hi, my name is Katey and welcome to Kindly Katey. I love to make videos on home decor, cleaning motivation, and mom life. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing and join me. We are going to be doing so many fun things for the rest of fall, Halloween, and Christmas. Okay, if you are watching this for cleaning motivation, get up and clean along with me. I'm starting by sweeping all of the dirt and debris off the porch, and then we're going to do some more cleaning. You'll notice in this video I'm actually wearing some pants, some long sleeves. I remember last year when I filmed my porch video, I was wearing shorts and a tank top. It was 85 degrees in October. And this year it was in the 60s when I filmed this. So our weather has been really crazy, but so good. We've had such a pretty fall season here in East Tennessee. So now after I've swept the floor of the porch, I'm taking my broom and knocking down all of the spider webs. Since we do have a porch with the railing around it, we get countless spider webs every summer. And I try to stay on top of knocking them down because I really hate spiders. So that's what I'm doing here. On this day, I also decided to do a quick wipe down of the outside of our windows and the glass storm door. This is something that's on my fall cleaning list for the season, to just give the windows a good cleaning before the weather gets too cold. So now I don't have to worry about the living room windows. Okay, you may be looking at this shot and seeing me with a mop and thinking that I'm totally crazy. I am crazy. So I decided to use my old spin mop to wipe down the siding on our house. We need to pressure wash most of the house. It has mildew on it and we need to pressure wash it, but my husband usually helps me with that. And so today I really just wanted to clean the porch area. So I decided to use this mop. I just filled the bucket up with some Dawn dish soap and some hot water, and it worked really well, honestly. It was a bit of a workout. I was, You can see I took off my plaid shirt, but it worked good, but I don't know if I would recommend it. Like, I probably should have just gotten out the hose or the pressure washer or something. I also ended up using this mop to clean the ceiling of the porch, and that was a super hard workout. I was so sore the next day, but it looks insanely better. So that's why I'm a crazy lady using a mop on my front porch. Okay, here we are on a different day. It took me a couple days to film this video. So now I'm going to give all of the furniture a good wipe down. I'm pretty good about keeping up with this through the spring and summer months because we do have so much pollen here. So I haven't wiped it down since the end of August because that's when my son's birthday party was. So I'm just giving everything a quick wipe down, and then we are going to be ready to decorate. Oh, and if you see the tag hanging out the back of my shirt or on my neck, just ignore it. It's like that for the whole video. I had no idea it was sticking out that day. So it's something that I noticed, and now you're going to notice it too, of course, but you'll just have to ignore it. Let me know in the comments below if you are a front porch type of person. I totally am. One day I dream of having a house with a wraparound porch. It is my lifelong dream to have one of those. But I love the porch we have on this house. It is very spacious and perfect for a front porch swing and rocking chairs. And as a girl from the South, that's really all you can hope for. Am I right? Okay, we are finally ready to start decorating the front porch for fall. The first thing I'm doing is adding my fall throw pillows. I have one for each rocking chair and two for the swing. If you saw my summer porch decorate video, you know that these are just $5 outdoor Walmart pillows with Amazon pillow covers over them. That is the best hack I've ever seen for seasonally changing your pillows on the porch. Now we're doing the front door area. I'm laying down this buffalo check rug that I got at Hobby Lobby. And on top, I'm going to place my Rae Dunn fall doormat. Now, it is a little discolored. It got rained on last year and it just never looked the same, but I'm going to use it this year and I'll probably get a new one next year. Beside the door on the left, I have a little rocking chair that's Grant's. We're going to use that for decor. And then to the right here, I'm adding this bushel basket that I got from my grandparents' house. And we're going to make a cute little fall scene here at the front door. the bushel basket, I decided to add 2 of these small hay bales. I got those at Walmart, and then I'm laying in some mini pumpkins and gourds. I also got those from Walmart. I'm not really sure that this is my favorite thing. This is the first year that I've done this display, so trial and error, but I think I could do better next year. And then by the front door, we are going to add a few of the decorative pumpkins we picked up at the local flower stand just a couple weekends ago. I'm also adding a fall wreath to our front door. I actually received this as a wedding gift 7 years ago now, but I'm thinking I might be ready to part ways with it after this year and freshen up our porch with a new fall wreath next year. Okay, now we're doing something a little fun. So these ivy plants in these flower baskets, I planted those at the beginning of summer, and they look so beautiful. I didn't want to take them out yet, so I went to Walmart and I bought 6 of these little tiny mums. They were $1.88 each. I got 3 of the burgundy or maroon color and 3 yellow, and I'm going to plant 2 in each flower basket to add some more fall looks onto the front porch. Okay, we are going to complete the front porch decorating by adding some stuff here to the stairs. On the top of the stair posts, I like to add little mini pumpkins. And then of course I picked up 2 larger mums to put here at the stairs. These are the burnt orange color and they're so pretty. I'm going to add some of these little straw people in there as well. Those are from Walmart last year. And then I'm going to add my festive garden flag over to the right. And then we will be ready to enjoy the final looks at our fall front porch. Okay, you guys, that is going to be all for my fall front porch makeover for 2022. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it inspires you to decorate your porch for the fall season. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and join me for all the fall, Halloween, and Christmas videos coming up soon. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you soon with my next video. Bye!